We have given series circuit which contains voltage source and 3 impedances. Let's take a look what we have given. We have given V1, V2 and V3, where V1 represents the voltage drop across impedance Z1, V2 represents the voltage drop across impedance Z2, and V3 represents the voltage drop across impedance Z3. We have to find voltage source. In order to solve this problem, you're supposed to remember the KVL, Kirchhoff voltage law, which says voltage source is the sum of the voltages in the series circuit, sum of the voltage drops in the series circuit. So I have V1 plus V2 plus V3 in this case, where V1 is equal 32 volts and angle of 45 degrees plus 18 volts and angle of 25 degrees plus 24 volts and angle of 60 degrees. Use the calculator and you're supposed to obtain the value 72.09 volts and angle of 45.04 degrees. And this is the value of the voltage source, and we can say that this is the solution to the problem.